Good afternoon, friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am just doing packing for my Indonesian trip. This is a special trip because it is not just 1 month trip. It is actually probably it's gonna be a 6 month trip. I don't know yet. We will see. Also, this is not the usual packing because as you can see, I have a cargo XXL box over here. This is a cargo. This is a packing box for cargo, which means for shipping via water. What do you call it? Cargo shipping via water. No. Shipment. I'm sorry, I lost my train of thoughts, but I'm gonna ship this via by sea, so it will arrive probably. It will take 3 months to arrive in Indonesia, in Jakarta, at my parents' house. That's where the address would be. And this is my first box here, 30 kilo. Second box would be 30 kilo as well. And I don't know yet, but probably there will be another box over here, which is currently used for Levi's playground. Yeah, he's been using it for animal's house. Oh, I also want to show you. I am going to a shop where they usually receive donation, and I am donating wools over here. This much. This is just probably like 10th of my whole collection. I still have a lot of wools that I'm not using. I'm not going to be using because I will move to Bali. I'm not going to need winter wool stuff, so I have to get rid of them. And then the next one is I'm also going to donate some clothes, summer clothes as the shop says, because they're not receiving any winter clothes at the moment. 3 pair of shoes that I'm not using it anymore, or I don't know. It's just I'm trying to get rid of a lot of baggage in my life right now. Can't handle it right now. So yeah, why am I moving, by the way? I'm not going to tell you the reason now in this video. Probably it's going to be another video. Like, I don't even know if I'm going to tell you the reason why I'm moving, but I just want you to follow my journey to Bali, and then probably along the way I will find courage to share my journey, to share my personal experience, well, this is YouTube. I'm sharing my personal life anyway already, but you know, there is some private life that you don't want to share in this public platform. But yeah, maybe in the future along the way I will share. By the way, I am using a new camera, if you notice already. Probably not, because I'm the one using it here, but this camera is so cute. I will show you a short vlog from my first day of using this camera. We went to a park, and then yeah, here you go. Halo, ini kamera baru mama. Hari ini kita mau pergi ke taman bebek, mau piknik. Peace better. Baby just want to say hi. Lolly. Ow. Okay, bye bye. So we're just going back from the test place. Levi got his lolly. Test place, and he's happy. Happy baby.
Where's to my lollipop?
Again.
Nah?
Nggak enak. Levi suka?
Ya.
Nicht so.
Apa mi? Das ist orange.
Yeah, orange, you know. He doesn't really eat lolly that much, just one time because he accompanied me to the test center. Okay, do darfs. And yeah, we are in a park now. I have my pancake here that I made this morning. Oh, this is so much fun with the new camera. It's small and it's making me less conscious about myself. But the thing is that I kept looking. Oh yeah, it's better, yeah. But the thing is that I kept looking on the screen under the lens, so I just have to keep reminding myself that I have to look at the lens. So yeah, phone. Bing. I want to show you how I actually just hold this camera. So it's gonna be like this. This is how I hold the camera. It's so small, really fits in my hand. Levi, come! Sometimes I worry that he'll be like he likes to just wander around by himself. Was magst du, Levi? Oh my goodness. Aso! Levi menemukan kura-kura. And he's just sitting on the rock like this. Ich will nicht, dass du runtergefallen, weißt du? Das ist ein bisschen gefährlich hier. Temanin mama dulu, lalu Levi boleh kesini lagi. Temanin mama ambil kinderwagen dulu ya. Ya.
Aber die guckt nicht an, die bewegt sich gar nicht.
Yeah, I was talking about my handy. This is my recent handy situation. Maybe. Yeah. And that just happens in the morning on Friday when this camera here supposed to arrive on the afternoon. So it's like, yeah, handy time out and then it's time for the new camera. Kind of like that. Liking it though. Ow! This kid always poke me with the stock with a stick.
Kommt nicht runter.
Komm nicht runter, ne?